Welcome to Smolyan, guys. And near Smolyan is one of our Bulgarian national prides, the Pomporovsky ski resort and the TV tower. That is usually a TV tower service, but also has a restaurant on the top, and very well-known Smolyan rocks around the town and the very town of Smolyan, Bulgaria. Well, those of you who know me, we're gonna start construction sites here. You can see me there in the window. We will start construction. I'm gonna be digging this concrete there. I'm waiting my colleague to bring the digging machine, and it's gonna be a little bit hard working day, but we will do it. Thanks for watching, guys.